Install tilting cloumn and help arm. Connect power supply and air supply. Install central oar. Aim it to the turntable center. Then lock it. Press tyre with bead brakes to the side at rim's smallest diameter. Move lock arm away from turntable. Open cloumn to a position larger than rim diameter. Press steel rim with center oar. Step pedal twice, raise center cloumn and lock steel rim tightly. Lock demounting head. Adjust pressing knot to fix lock. Keep a distance of 2 to 3 mm between demounting head from the rim. Press tyre under demounting head. Rotate turntable separate rim and tyre. Lubricate rim and tyre. Insert lever into tyre. Move pressing disc opposite to mounting head. Press tyre and raise tyre with lever. Rotate turntable, demount tyre. Raise tyre with pressing disc to steel rim's smallest diameter. Then demount low side. Lubricate rim and tyre. Press tyre under demounting head. Pull pressing disc and make turntable rotate together. Press tyre to steel rim's smallest diameter with pressing disc, then install. Inflate tyre fully.